Hey guys, Faby here. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can read by the title, today I'm going to create some fun trendy looks. I really wanted to try my hands at these trends and finally I'm doing it. The first look is inspired by K-dramas. I'm a huge fan of K-dramas. I love their makeup style. It's so fresh and dewy and is super trending in 2022. The second look is floral because summer's May floral look is always trending. And the third look is inspired by Euphoria, and Euphoria May I've picked Maddie because I love her style of makeup. I think it suits me the best. To recreate these looks, I have shopped all the products on Amazon and I'm going to link all the product details in the description down below. So let's get started with the first tutorial. So K-dramas में उनकी skin बहुत ही glowy और clean लगती है because they spend most of their time on skin prep. So I'm going to follow their steps to create this look. So the first product I'm going to apply is Laneige Water Bank Hydro Essence. मैं इसको patting motion में अच्छे से पूरे face पे spread कर रही हूँ. So the next product is Laneige Emulsion Moisture. I am a huge fan of this product because it provides deep hydration. So now the next product is Forest Essential Anti-Aging Cream. I'm going to take a very small amount because this cream deeply nourishes my skin. It just makes it super soft and glowy. Now the last step in the skincare is a makeup serum. For that I'm going to use Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. So I'm going to add about 3 to 4 drops onto my face and will massage it. So now we are done with our skin prep, and to achieve this glow you can check out all the products on Amazon. And for the makeup, first I'm going to apply the foundation. Sugar Ka Rage for Coverage 24-hour foundation. So I'm dotting the foundation all over my face. It doesn't look cakey and it stays for like good amount of time. I need medium coverage to cover my dark circles and blemishes. So for the concealer, I'm going to use Faces Canada Ultime Pro Concealer in shade Light. So सबसे पहले मैं under eye पे concealer लगा रही हूँ. Then on the bridge of the nose, थोड़ा बहुत on chin. This is the perfect shade to highlight my under eyes. इसके बाद मैं लगाने वाली हूँ powder, and for the powder I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in shade Natural Buff. So under eye के अलावा I'm adding the powder onto my T-zone just to make my foundation last longer. Generally मैंने देखा है कि they just do nose contour, and for it I'm going to use Sugar Ka Contour the Force Mini Bronzer in shade Woody Wonder. So मैं भी सिर्फ nose contour कर रही हूँ. I'm blending all the harsh lines because it should look very natural. Next, it's time to fill in the eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use Sugar Brow Definer in Cherry Brown. So मेरी arch brow है और Koreans usually prefer करते हैं straight. So this is the maximum straight जो मेरे face पे हो सकता है because इसके अलावा मुझे फिर सीधे shave करना पड़ेगा. So now the next step is eye makeup, और उसके लिए मैं use करने वाली हूँ Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Palette. So first I'm going to use the lightest brown shade as my transition shade. So I'm dabbing the color all over my lid, adding a little hint of this lilac shade on the outer corner. I just love this eyeshadow palette as it has so many different shades, from neutrals to brights to pressed pigments. You can create so many looks by using just one palette, so that's why I just love it. Next, with the help of a brown shade, I'm creating a fake under eye puffiness. So I'm just drawing a line. Now I'm just blending the harsh line. Now I'm adding small flakes on my lower lash line as well as on the upper lash line. I'm adding the Wow pigment from the same palette on the inner half of the lid. Next, I'm going to apply Wet n Wild You Are Always White eyeliner onto my waterline. And lastly, I'm adding the lighter shade onto the inner corners like this. And for the blush, I'm going to use MyGlamm Strawberry Blush. I'm adding the blush on the cheeks as well as around the temple area. For the highlight, I'm going to use Maybelline Master Chrome in shade Molten Gold. I'm going to highlight the cheekbone, brow bone, my nose and little bit on the chin. For the lips, I'm going to use 2 lip shades. So I'm lining my lips with Faces Canada Lip Definer in shade Nude Brown. And then I've added the Sugar Lip Crayon in shade Badass. So this is the final look inspired by K-drama. Do let me know what you guys think about this look. Also do check out Amazon because they come up with some amazing deals on makeup and you don't want to miss on them. So now let's move on to the next look. For the second look, again I'm going to use the same Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette. So let's get started. For the floral look, I'm going to use all the pink shades from the palette. So first I'm drawing the shape of my eyeshadow look and then I'm going to fill in the same shade here. Wow, I am just loving this pink shade. Next, I'm just going to line it with a dark pink shade. Now I'm going to draw some flowers on the lid area. And this is the last flower. Again, I'm using Wet n Wild eyeliner for my waterline. So now I'm applying the same pink eyeshadow onto my lower lash line. Almost done with the look. Now I just have to add on the lipstick. For that, I'm again going to use the Sugar Lip Crayon in shade Badass. This is the final summer floral look. It is super easy to recreate. Do let me know if you are going to recreate this look. And do check out some amazing deals on Amazon. Now the third look, which is inspired by Maddie. For this look, I'm going to bronze up my face first. So again, I'm going to use Sugar Ka Mini Bronzer. And will apply it onto my jawline, cheeks and forehead. Once done, now it's time for the eye makeup and again same palette. So I'm going to use all the grays and silver from this palette. Zoom in please. So now I'm taking the gray shade and I'm going to apply it onto the crease area and blending it very nicely. अच्छे से blend हो गया है. अब मैं लगाने वाली हूँ the silver eyeshadow. I'm just adding the silver pigment onto the eyelid area. Applying the lightest shade from the palette onto the brow bone. Time to add on the drama with the liner, and for that I'm going to use Sugar Wingman waterproof eyeliner. So first I'm going to create the wings. Applying black eyeshadow onto the lower lash line. Finally, I have added the lashes. Now it's time to add on some highlighter because it has faded a little. For the lips, I'm again using Faces Canada Lip Definer in shade Nude Brown. And we are done. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I just love this look. It is perfect if you're going out for a date night or partying, and my nails are actually perfectly matching this look, so that's why I'm loving it more. If you want to achieve any of these looks, I have added all the product details in the description down below. Do check out Amazon because they are running some amazing deals. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.